Alright, I picked a cup holder for 20 bucks. I cleaned it. It's dirty. I'm gonna take this little plastic backing piece off. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 6 and 7 screws holding it on. In order to get the other 2, all you gotta do is just pop it up. You can catch the other 2 screws. Alright, I got the back plastic backing plate off. It's dirty, and here's some stuff left over from the previous owners. That's how it looks. I'm gonna rewash it off, and I'm gonna see if I can get this metal piece off. Alright, it's pretty easy. See, like these little things. I can't do it one-handed, maybe I could, but you just like push it this way and pull this side this way. Yeah, you're left with that. An easy assembly. Those little tabs I was talking about. That's all you gotta do. I'm gonna clean all this up, then put it back together and put it in my truck. There it is. I got a new refurbished cup holder. Not bad. Now I just gotta install it. Carpet's all dirty, but this is where it goes. Just right below the heater control. It's right below. Ports, ashtray, cup holder. Installed it. This is what it looks like. It's kind of bulged now, but pull it down. There it is. My new cup holder. I like it. Adds another, instead of these 2, then I have 2 more.